Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to the presentation on interrupt-based input or output. In this session, I will explore the concept of how interrupt-based I/O works and its significance in modern computer system. I will walk you through the key points of this topic and demonstrate its implementation in real system. My name is Muhammad Anas Faizun with NPM 233110006, and today I will be discussing this important concept. Now let's start by understanding the basic of I/O itself. What is input-output or I/O? Input-output refers to the communication between a computer and external device such as keyboard, mic, printer, or other hardware. I/O connects the processor to the external world, allowing the system to receive input like typing on keyboard and send output such as printing a document. Proper management of I/O is crucial for the system performance because it ensures that data is transferred efficient without overloading the GPU. With this foundation, we can now better understand how interrupts play a role in I/O process. Let's move on to discuss what an interrupt is. What is an interrupt? Interrupt is a mechanism where the CPU stops its current execution to address higher priority tasks, often from an I/O device. Interrupt allow the system to respond immediately to external events, such as input from a keyboard or completion of a task by a printer. There are two types of interrupt. One, maskable interrupt, or IRQ. This can be ignored or delayed by the CPU if needed. And two, non-maskable interrupts, or NMI. These are critical interrupts that cannot be ignored, typical used for urgent error like hardware failure. Now that we understand interrupt, let's see how they work in the context of interrupt-based or I/O. Interrupt-based I/O process. In interrupt-based I/O, the external device, like a keyboard or printer, sends an interrupt signal to CPU when it needs attention. The CPU, upon receiving the interrupt, temporarily stops its current task and handles the interrupt. After the task is handled, the CPU resumes its previous task. For example, when you pass a key on keyboard, the keyboard sends an interrupt to the CPU to process that input, ensuring the system responds in real time without constantly checking the keyboard state. Next, advantage of using interrupt-based I/O. One major advantage of interrupt-based I/O is CPU efficiency. Without interrupts, the CPU would have to constantly check the status of all I/O devices, called polling, which wastes valuable time and resources. Interrupt ensure that the CPU only works when needed, making the system more efficient and responsive. And interrupt also improve multitasking. For instance, while running a background process, the CPU can still respond to high-priority interrupts like user input or a finished print job. Now, let's explore how this concept is implemented in real system, like modern operating system. Implementing interrupt-based I/O in real system. Interrupt-based I/O is used in many modern operating systems like Linux, Windows to manage communication with I/O device. For example, when you send a print job, the operating system uses interrupt to communicate with the printer, ensuring the CPU is not wasting time waiting for the printer to be ready. This technology is not limited to software. It's also implemented in various hardware devices like printer, scanner, and other peripheral. Now, let's summarize the key points we've covered so far. To summarize, interrupt-based I/O is a key technique that allows for efficiency and responsive communication between the CPU and external device. It's optimized CPU usage by ensuring that the CPU doesn't waste time polling device unnecessarily and only respond with needed. This system is critical for modern operating system and hardware, ensuring smooth multitasking and real-time response. Before we conclude, I will end with closing statement. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this of interrupt-based input-output has given you deeper understanding of how this concept enhance efficiency and responsive in computer system. If you have any further question or would like to discuss more, feel free to contact me. Thank you for your time and attention, and I wish you all the best. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.